Hi friends, we made it. Today is our last day of this virtual week. It's Friday, yay! So for math today, we're just gonna do a quick review. You're gonna like this video because it's gonna be a short one. So I'm gonna switch the screen over. If you could get a piece of paper, marker board, anything you can find to write some things down with me, that would be great. All right guys, so we have been talking about using our shapes, and with our shapes, we've been talking about adding one more. So I'm going to draw some shapes, and you be thinking in your head, what kind of shape I just drew? What shape is that, boys and girls? It's a triangle, isn't it? I drew how many? I drew 4, didn't I? Yeah. And what I want you to do is I want you to draw 4, but not triangles. I want you to draw 4 squares. So go ahead on your piece of paper or marker board. Go ahead and draw 4 squares. Remember, they don't have to be perfect because we are not artists. Now, as you can see, I drew my 4 squares. And if I added one more square, how many would I have? If I had 4 and I added one more, how many would that be? It'd be 5, wouldn't it? 4 and one more is 5. Now, like I said, you're going to like today's video because that's all the review I'm going to do for you. So at home, you can just keep practicing drawing down some shapes and then drawing down some more shapes and adding one more to tell me what that number is. Some papers that I have attached for you to try at home if you have a printer. If not, maybe mom or dad can draw some of this down for you and you can do for practice. I'm going to show you the first one real quick. And I'll have to apologize, my daughter marked on this one. But what I want you to do is I want you to look at these objects. There's hearts and stars, and I want you to count them as quickly as you can in your head and then circle the right answer. So do it quickly, and remember it's kind of like subitizing where we look at it and instead of counting each one, we think, oh, that's 3. Or, oh, I can tell that's just 1. Oh, I don't need to count these. I can tell it's 2. And see how quickly you can do that. Then your next page, if you can print this out, it has some kitty cats on there. And then I want you to count how many cats. And then I want you to draw a ball for every cat. And then add one more. And then put that number down here. So if you can't print this paper out at home, you can have your mom or dad or whoever is helping you draw the cats. And then underneath the cats, you can draw the balls and then draw one more and write that number. Just like on the bottom with the elephants, you can have your parents or grandparents draw the elephants if you can't print this paper out. And then it wants you to draw a peanut because elephants love peanuts. A peanut for every elephant and then draw one more and see how many peanuts that would give you. All right, boys and girls, one other thing I'm going to have you do, if you want to, is I'm going to have you practice counting to 50 out loud with your parents. So I went ahead and printed this out. And parents, if you want, you can pause this and you can just practice counting out loud with your child to 50. And that is all that I have for today, my Commodore friends. I hope you have a fabulous weekend, and I will see you either in person on Monday or I'll see you on the video again on Monday. Bye-bye, my friends.